Hi, it's Sine again, and today I'd like to talk with you about internal linking structure. You may have guessed from the content on my blogs recently that I'm really focusing on SEO, and getting inbound links without asking or spamming for them is always a great thing. But did you know you could link from interior pages from your own blog? I'm going to show you a plugin called Zamanta that I use that allows you to do some internal linking structure. And one of the great things about Zamanta is if you configure it properly, you can include links to blogs you want. In other words, Secrets to Web Success, for example, is a blog that I also author. I've added its feed to the back office preferences for Zamanta, and as a result, some of the content that it suggests to me are within blogs that I either follow or I co-author. So what I want to do today is show you how to get these internal links to other pages on your own blog or on blogs that you might author that are not necessarily on this domain. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, I'm taking you to the dashboard where I've got some posts in here that I can edit. I'll take you into the most recent one I've just done, the SEO for inbound links. Again, this is something that's very definitely on my mind quite a bit. Now, as you can see, Zamanta is an option inside Edit Post. This is also here for new posts as well. This is the configuration screen, and I know we've talked about Zamanta before, but Zamanta offers you content in the form of photos, or other links that may be related that you can choose from to add directly to your post. Now, if you choose within this lower box, you're basically adding what we did before right here, these related articles by Zamanta, with a link to the content that is related to what you're working on. So in order to get that list, I simply clicked, and you'll notice it turns orange. It has added it automatically to the list that I've included here on this blog. Now, how did I get Secrets to Web Success in here? Did I just wait for them to automatically be included in Zamanta? No, I went one step further, went into my preferences, and told Zamanta which feeds I'd like to include. I came down to My Stuff, opened this up, and you'll notice that there is a blogs and other content. I selected this and gave it the feed address for the content that I wanted. So if you know the feed address for one of your blogs, and hopefully you do, you can simply select it here and click Add. This will make this RSS feed a part of these updates when the content is relevant, and by relevant I mean keyword based. You can, after you're done, of course, go in and enable or disable any one of these blog feeds. Now, these happen to be 3 that I follow pretty closely. Obviously, 2 of them I author, but this one from Carol Hansen from My Kitchen Table is just chock full of content relevant to what I'm focused on. I can also add individual Facebook, Twitter, and my blog log friends from within my own social network. And if, for example, one of my friends in my blog log has written a post relevant to what I'm writing about, it will appear here because I've selected it. A couple of other notes while we're here on the preferences screen. You can choose what signature image will be used. Now, this is the image that appears in the lower right hand corner of your blog. Let me show you here on this one. I did remove it. It would normally appear right here. I believe that Dolly on Secrets to Web Success includes it. Yes, here it is. Now, she does change the title, but again, these are Zamanta articles that have been brought in, some of which are within her own site, and cross-link or internally link to additional posts there. Now, one additional concept that I want to talk to you about, and this is great if you're on a multi-author blog. Something that Michael Fortin does is list his last 5 posts. Now, he's not the only author on this blog, so by them coming to this page and reading his content, they're basically consuming it. he has found a topic that they want to know more about. So by placing his last 5 blog posts here, he's offering them additional content that they might not have seen on the homepage, but that they might be interested in. It's always a good idea to include a little bit about yourself, particularly if you're on a multiple author blog. Now, is Zamanta the only way you can do this? Absolutely not. There are plugins, several of which are available at the WordPress.org site for related content. Here's one, for example, brought to you by yet another related post plugin. And one thing I like about this is it does allow you on the back end to see how it weighted these related posts. In other words, based on the keywords within your content, this has a 83% probability of being related to what they're looking for. You can choose the number of posts that you want to bring in. Now, in Carol's case here, this is from my kitchen table. Each one of these articles are her own. They are somewhere else on her blog. So she's found a way to bring in related content, but keep it internal to her blog, which is, anytime you can do that, that's always a great idea. Now, Carol also included the reblog option from Zamanta, and she got that automatically when she added this image, which she got from Zamanta. It was specific to her title. It found a keyword, and it went and found images related to her keywords. Anytime you can deliver relevant content to your readers, they win, you win, they're staying on the site longer, they're consuming content that they want, they've already expressed a desire for it by clicking in and reading your article, so deliver them the best experience that you can. Now, where can you go get Zamanta? Well, I've brought it up here. There's actually a couple of different Zamanta plugins. One for browsers like Firefox, and the other for bloggers. So go to www.zamanta.com/bloggers. And as you can see, they offer quite a bit. One-click multimedia. It just sits over here in the sidebar. You click it, it automatically adds it. By using these related posts, you can improve your SEO by bringing in targeted keywords. You can link to your friends and feeds, which is what we were just discussing. You can allow other bloggers to share with the reblog option, and you can even bring this into like your Gmail accounts and compose better emails. And of course, Zamanta does take care of the copyright. They screen all their bloggers very carefully to make sure the content is original, so that you're being delivered original, relevant content from other bloggers within your niche. Okay, I hope this really short video showing you a little bit more about internal linking and the values from an SEO standpoint has been helpful. Please stay tuned. We offer an awful lot on our blog, The Secrets to Web Success. On Mondays, if you're looking for motivational content, check in there. Dolly takes care of handling the mindset and motivation for staying with the blogging. Tuesdays, our Twitter specialist, Carol Hansen, weighs in with her tips and tricks on how to use Twitter, how to get the most out of it, and how to use it from a marketing and networking standpoint. On Wednesdays are our more esoteric posts on web success in general. Thursday, we cover all the technical aspects from blogging to, SEO. Fridays, we cover Facebook with Deontay Gordon, and then on Saturdays, we get back to the SEO, the roots of bringing in organic traffic. Okay, once again, this is Sine signing off. I hope you've enjoyed this. Check back by the blog. We've got a lot of great content just for you.